Everything that you see is from one soul, and this source rules universe and more. Here starts the preaching from above. Adhere to it with minds and whole. Life is a river flowing and free, carrying us on to a new mystery, guided by the lights of divine above. Yet your plans comes below. Surrender to the river's flow. This will let your hearts glow. These are the preachings from above. Adhere to it with minds and soul. I am the body, I am the soul, I am the time, I am the prime, and it resonates with you because you are not separate from mine. I am the body, I am the flesh, I am the eyes, I am the ears, I am the nose, I am the mouth. If I am the whole, then who am I? Adhere to it with minds and soul. These are the preachings from above. I am the air, I am the air, I am the fire, I am the light, I am the water, I am the sky. If I am the whole, then who am I? You are my secret, I am your secret. You are my perception, and I am the perceiver. If perception and the perceiver are same, then what is left? Think of it. Adhere to it with minds and soul. These are the preachings from above. If you realize it, you are the triangle that no joy nor sorrow can disturb. Adhere to it with minds and soul. These are the preachings from above. Adhere to it with minds and soul. These are the preachings from above. Adhere to it with minds and soul. These are the preachings from above.